Wow, that's a nice one. What's wrong, baby? Oh! Woo! The wave is pretty strong. Oh my ear.
That's why you open your window. I don't know what I'm looking at.
Okay.
Ocean.
Mm-hmm.
We died.
Yeah. Is it raining? Are we going to the Disney cruise? That's the Disney cruise.
Wait, really?
That's them. That's them. That's them. Their cousins are over there.
Yep.
Really? I can see it.
Yeah.
Really?
They say, what was it?
It is.
Caribbean? You go Caribbean?
Hey,
Maybe.
stop it. I go crazy. That's
They will
it.
rain the church. They will
Where?
see some
You see the Disney? The Mickey
few hours.
Mouse?
You will see when mommy go up there.
See the Mickey Mouse? That's the Mickey Mouse. Meow, meow, meow. Where's your
Meow, meow, meow.
glasses?
You're so funny.
Get your glasses, crazy.
Meow, meow, meow.
Oh my god, I see the cruise over there. I see the boat.
Yeah.
We are here, Cocoa Beach, Florida. This park is a dog beach,
Dog friendly beach.
dog friendly beach. So
Let's
we do
go.
my
For the boo boo bear, there's my boo boo bear.
This is how to pay for your parking. P.
There's a rip current thingy, so you can know. Right there, look.
Oh,
I already
Rip
see
current.
it.
oh wow.
See?
That was you explained to me, right?
Yes.
Never swim here. My husband just swim sideways.
Swim to the right or the
Yeah.
Yeah. Never towards the beach.
Oh, just in case the boo boo pot. Yeah, 가자.
Right here. South 7. Make sure it's 31. Come on.
Oh my god, look at the wave.
I know.
How do you tell if there's a rip current?
Oh, look.
Throw. Don't
Like, if the
go.
waves are coming this way,
Hey, what the way you
like
go?
horizontal. Diagonal.
South 7th Street, is it? 31.
How do we tell if there's gonna be a
Oh my goodness.
You can see it how?
Baby, baby dress juice.
Okay.
Yeah, I know, right?
So we
It's a dress juice.
Oh my god. I can't.
Oh. It's gonna be cold water. Look at Boo Boo, look at Boo Boo.
It's busy.
Go swim, go swim. You want to scary?
Swim in there.
You want to scary a little bit? No, you will make sure your hands are like that so it's not going anywhere. We should buy a little boarding up for baby. Flash, we haven't there. Go swimming.
Leave it. Go swimming, boo boo. Let's go swimming.
Okay.
Go swim. Boo Boo, go swim, go swim. 빨리 여보 go inside there. 아이고, baby, 아이고. Why are you scared? Oh, wow. See, not bad, not that far from our camping place, right? Oh my goodness.
Let's go inside.
Good. Keep up.
Mama, let's go.
Oh, you swim, crazy. You don't remember? I'm gonna put this one here. Why you don't remember? Go.
Hey, get boo-boo. I want to look at that.
Who was afraid?
Hold this up.
Okay.
No.
I want to go in.
Go.
Okay, crazy. Don't go all the way deep. See how it is.
Stay here. You're gonna be dangerous. Woo! Why are you scary? Water. Woo! Wow, you're pretty strong. Come here. Mommy has to move the pants. Come here, baby. Woo! Wow! That is not bad, baby. Wave. Okay. Woo! Wow, that is strong. Wow. One, two, three. Ah! Woo! Good boy. Woo! Are you okay? Woo! 1, 2, wow, that's a nice one. What's wrong, baby? Oh! Go! Wow! Hey. You done swimming?
Don't go over there, Pig. Come here, stay here.
보세요. Mommy, let's go. He's scared the wav이구나. You know the orange beach, our camping ground, no wavy. He was fine. Poor baby, he's scared the wavy. It's okay, mommy here. Wow. Huh? This is better than orange beach? Wavy? Wow.
That's the push.
Oh, push. The push was pretty strong, 여보. Hit me. I was scared.
Right.
Wow. Nice.
Not Hawaii strong, but good.
Yeah. Come here. Come here. Good boy. The wave is pretty strong. Aya, boo boo, we'll go. Okay, you don't like her. Okay. I go, baby. Are you okay? I am, baby. Good boy. Come here. I know. Baby, come here. Ayo, baby. Ayo, what's wrong? Is that salt water? Did you? Oh, my baby. Oh, my baby. This is our day, second day of Typhoon Lagoon. This is not water, this is raining. On the bridge. No, let go my tube. You say you don't need the tube, crazy.
No, then we can go together. Or else I'm going to...
아이고 잘한다. My husband cook for our dinner. What is it? This is not steak. Beef tenderloin. Beef tenderloin. Hello, baby. Now we cannot. Already.
Get a plate, let's go.
Okay. This guy was crying for everybody. I put in the mask. Now he cannot cry anymore. Cannot talk. Your fault. Your fault. Look so sad. You had fun yesterday, beach. Beach walk around and swimming. Even I don't like wavy, big wave water. Hopefully that one enough.
That's plenty.
Actually hungry. I'm hungry. Smells so good.
Thank you for watching.
Please subscribe me.
Don't forget the thumbs up.